Excellency Dr. James Maniga, the Vice President of the Department of South Sudan and the Chair of the Economic Cluster, Honorable Minister Josephine, Honorable Minister of Trade, Stephen Nasmo, the Governor, the Honorable Minister of Water Irrigation, representative from government institutions, both the national and state, heads of diplomatic missions, Honorable Member of Trade and Investment, the East African Legislative Assembly, the Chair of East African Business Council, and all the protocol media houses. Good morning. My presentation, you already have it in the documents that we have given out. You'll be able to go through parts of what actually is going to happen, which is from the date 13 to 15 of May 2025. As I stated, this is the third edition of Juba Economic Forum 2025. The third edition of Juba Economic Forum as an annual event of Central Equatorial Business Union, which is started in 2023 under the theme Inclusive Economic Growth, and the second edition, that was the 2024, under the theme Infrastructure Development for Sustainable Economic Growth. And now we are talking about the third edition under the theme Promoting Commercial Agriculture as Pathway Economic Stability. As a country, we are aware of our leadership vision. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of South Sudan, General Salva Kiir Mayardit, in his statement in the year 2025, his message called upon the nation to embark on agriculture. And the same vision that our state government is carrying, His Excellency the Governor as well, during his county tour, he called on the citizens of Central Equatoria State to embark on cooperative society to promote agriculture. And as a private sector, being a strong constituency to the government, we see that there is a need for the private sector to venture into